In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch ESPN on your TV, so you can enjoy live sports and highlights on the big screen. Let's get started. To watch ESPN, check if your cable or satellite package includes ESPN channels like ESPN, ESPN2, or ESPN News. For streaming, subscribe to services like Hulu plus Live TV, YouTube TV, or Sling TV, which offer ESPN. If you have a smart TV, download the ESPN app from the App Store. Open the app, log in, and activate it by visiting espn.com/activate on another device and entering the code shown on your TV. For non-smart TVs, use a streaming device like Roku, Amazon Fire Stick, or Chromecast. Install the ESPN app, log in, and activate it using the same method. Alternatively, connect your laptop or phone to your TV using an HDMI cable or cast ESPN content via AirPlay or Chromecast. If you're using ESPN Plus, ensure you've subscribed and linked your account. For offline viewing, download eligible ESPN Plus content on a mobile device while connected to Wi-Fi. Ensure your internet connection is stable for uninterrupted streaming. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and enjoy ESPN on your TV.